Understand the importance of maintaining an accurate credit report. Obtain your free annual credit reports from the 3 major credit bureaus. Carefully review your credit reports for any errors or inaccuracies. Gather supporting documentation to back up your dispute. File disputes with the credit bureaus through online portals, mail, or phone. Dispute inaccurate information directly with the furnishing business. Understand the credit bureau's investigation process and timeline. Review the results of the investigation and request corrections if needed. Ensure the credit bureaus notify relevant parties of any corrections. Explore additional steps, such as adding a statement of dispute to your file. Maintain vigilance and regularly monitor your credit reports. Empower yourself to take control of your financial health and credit score. Visit our website for more financial tips and resources.